How many years of your marriage?
2.
ખૂબ જ સરળ અને યાદગાર 26 વર્ષ.
26.
26. Wow. You complete 10 years.
5, no? 4. Don't do that mistake.
4 is right.
27 complete.
51 years.
We are lucky to be with each other from last 26 years.
39 વર્ષ.
24 years.
21 complete.
23 years.
लगभग वैसे पंचायत ट्रस्टी है ऐसे
9.
12 years.
34
34 years. Wow.
27.
25 years.
Long 25 years.
20.
26 years कंप्लीट किया
10 years.
30.
21.
31.
तो तव्हांजे हिसाब लाइक शादी करनी खपे कि न करनी खपे?
करनी चाहिए. Why not? In life you have to experience everything. So I feel that without marriage is also a very good experience, and with marriage also you're going to experience very good things. So that you will not experience if you don't get married. So you should get married.
કરવા એક વાત છે અને જીવનભર સાથ નિભાવો એ જ જુદી વાત છે. એક સ્ત્રી અને પુરુષે ત્યારે જ લગ્ન કરવા જોઈએ જ્યારે બંને જણા એકબીજાની પૂરેપૂરી તકેદારી રાખી શકે અને સ્વમાન જાળવી શકે આખી દુનિયા સામે અને ખાસ કરીને પરિવાર સામે.
Obviously, but if given an option in a single interview, I'll answer maybe different.
What does that mean?
Just kidding. Everyone should get married. For sure.
I think everyone should get married to the love of their life. That is very important, because marriage is not just about being married. You know, when they say that two families should come together and marriage is all about two families coming together, there's that, yeah, whatever, that is there. But love should exist. Only the rest of the things will exist there.
That's true. I also believe that's true, because when you have love in life, at least when you are low, you want to share it with someone. When you are high, you want to share it with someone. So you need one person that is always with you and will be on your side always.
And one more thing, like I said before, you should get married to the love of your life. By that I also mean your best friend could be the love of your life.
Most of the times.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
No, of course not. If you don't love, you should not get married. You should marry only if you love.
करवी જોઈએ.
Of course, yes.
शादी का लड्डू जो खाए वो पछताए, ना खाए वो पछताए.
Definitely yes.
करे बोले बाकी सारी बारी वेर न अच्छी सको बस तो शादी तो करनी ही पे. लक्कड़ का लड्डू खाओ तो भी पछताओ, नहीं खाओ तो भी पछताओ.
Okay. Yeah, if you're genuinely interested in companionship, you should marry. But if you don't want to get into responsibilities and all, then I think you can avoid, because now people enjoy independence also. See, it is true. If you are ready to take up your responsibilities, because once you are married, you have responsibilities to attend, and then you cannot just like, oh, I am so fed up of all this. Then you don't have a choice to complain.
Oh my God.
Because you've already plunged in the pool by yourself. You can't help it.
लड्डू जो खाए वो भी पछता है, न खाए वो भी पछता है. Now you should understand.
ઓફકોર્સ શાદી તો કરવી જ જોઈએ. શ્યોર
જેને હિસાબે હેવર લાઈફ હે એને હિસાબે કેણી ખપે.
करे जो ऑफ कोर्स कोन करे जो.
It's a part of life.
If it is required, okay. If you don't marry, that is also okay. You can stay in a live-in relationship if that is comfortable. If not, you can date also.
You will have more choices. She means that.
કરના ખપે ભલે વેલા નતર મોડા આંજો એજ્યુકેશન પતે આંજો સેટ થઈ વનો કોઈ કરે પણ કરના તો ખપે.
Yes, of course.
Yes.
करनी खपे.
Because whole life अकेले तो नहीं रह सकते. Definitely you need somebody with whom you can share your feelings, your views, or कुछ भी. You need somebody. So definitely you have to.
ને સાદી તેડી વસ્તુ ને લड्डू पा ख्यो तभी ले जो ना पा शादी के लड्डू ऐसे खाए तो भी पछताए नहीं खाए तो भी पछताए लेकिन खाना तो पड़ता ही है.
એકની હેપી સક્સેસફુલ શાદીનું સિક્રેટ કરવાનું
બોય में म्युચ્યુઅલ અંડરસ્ટેન્ડિંગ.
સફળ લગ્ન જીવન એ નથી કે જેમાં બંને પાર્ટનર એકબીજા સાથે જોડાય છે. સફળ લગ્ન જીવન તો એ છે કે બંને પોતાના વિચારોમાં એકબીજાની ખુશીઓ શોધી લે છે.
Understanding.
let go everything. Let go some things, some understanding.
Loving and caring for your partner, trust and commitment is most important thing.
Always be silent and always listen to your wife.
Love. If you have love, it is always a successful marriage. Like, successful marriage is not a happy marriage. You can't be happy all the time. But if you have love, even in your worst times, you will have some peace. And you will come out of it very quickly.
I think it is very important that you keep yourself happy. Only then can you keep your partner happy. So the secret for successful marriage is try and keep yourself happy. Only then everybody else around you will be happy.
Yeah, that's a very nice answer.
You have to fight every day. I will tell you, you have to fight every day. ये भी part of life. ये जरूरी है.
Fight no way to love not.
हाँ. True. Trust. अगड़े मुँह में ट्रस्ट.
अच्छा ट्रस्ट
एनजी फिगर एम के खबर हाँ तो ट्रस्ट.
બોલવું ન અઘરી જ વસ્તુ. સિક્રેટ જો વડે મેં વડો રાજ કદે બોલવું ન પાડે. ચૂપ રહો બસ.
લોટરી વિધિ ને તમે એનો નંબર લખો સિક્રેટ એટલે ચોઈસ જોઈ તેમે કોઈ ચિઠ્ઠી કઢાઈ તો એનો નંબર આવ્યો.
To trust each other and let go mistake of each other.
You have to understand each other and love.
nice.
Qualities of the person, like you can say he should be transparent, trustworthy, responsibility, he should love fully hearted. These few qualities makes the successful marriage.
બેજો પા
હા સોનો સમજો
સમજો વિચારો મળે એકડે બેજો લેટ કો બી થોડો કનું ખપે મળી રીતે મળે તો ભાઈ એકડે બે કે એડજસ્ટ
કરે
અકડે બે में
એડજસ્ટ કરે ટ્રુ.
So love is the most. Then understanding what he likes, what I like, and without any questioning or without any interference in each other's life, we just let it go. It should be like living together, but let to live. It is that.
The secret of successful marriage is only one thing: being yourself.
ને એડજસ્ટમેન્ટ જ કરે જો.
The relationship is like more like a friendship. I think so. That is the secret of the plan. Yeah, not a husband-wife kind of a thing. Like be like friends. So that is the thing where you can talk everything, speak everything, or love is definitely there. That is where we are together. But the thing is that is one more secret.
Unconditional love and people, of course.
Secret. Nothing. Trust is the. I think so. Trust होना चाहिए बस.
गाड़ी आज मुझे क्या बन. मेरा क्वेश्चन पूछते दिखा याद तो याद है.
I am a new beginner, so I think you should ask this question to the person standing besides you.
Only who has passed a decade can tell you that surviving marriage is.
So what's your go-to motto? Okay, this is how we are going to make our marriage successful.
One should compromise and understand.
One person has to compromise, the second person has to
Understand.
Yeah. Only one can dominate and one can submit.
At a time for a situation.
બંને વચ્ચે પ્રેમ છે એકદમ બધો.
એકદમ પ્રેમ. So what is the best thing about marriage? शादी की best बात करो.
What a difficult question. बेस्ट थिंग इज कि हस्बैंड वाइफ का जो रिलेशन रहता है वो एक दूसरे को समझ सकते हैं
And this happens only after 4-5 years of marriage.
સુખી લગ્ન જીવનનો અર્થ એ જ છે કે આપણે આપણી લાગણીઓ આપીએ અને સામે પ્રેમ અને વિશ્વાસ મેળવીએ.
નાય ખબર પડે પ્રેમ થયો અને મેરેજ થઈ ગયા બસ.
Family.
Best thing about the marriage depends on the person. देखने वाले के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है. भगवान ने सबको बेस्ट बनाया हुआ है.
Marriage, best thing, marriage, we get a family, we get a ups and downs, we get support in our life for all ups and downs. And main thing, we love each other.
Like, I'll tell you, for our generation, we need someone to just, put out all your frustration and come out for everything. So, I think the best part of marriage is you can take out all your regression on that one person and not worry कि अरे उसको खराब लगेगा या ये होगा कुछ नहीं. He's also gonna forget, you also gonna forget about the next day, and you'll still enjoy your time. Yeah, obviously there is unlimited care, love, a bond of togetherness, but that is very subjective. वो सब initial ज़्यादा रहता है, but ठीक है. I think the belongingness, there you can see in them only. It's been so many years with them, but they are still the same. So this is the positive side.
Single day is like I get to know him better. I still feel that I don't know him. Every day I feel that I'm getting to know a different person, and of course kids, my in-laws. So I have got so many lovely people just because of him. So I think that's a very good thing. You get so many lovely people all together. Just marrying one person, you get the entire family. I think that's a beautiful thing.
So what is હરેક સિક્રેટ વાત એની સાથે શેર કરી શકો.
બેસ્ટ થિંગ ઇઝ તમને એક પાર્ટનર એવો મળશે જે તમને એટલું બધું લવ કરશે ને કે જે બીજું કોઈ જ નહીં કરતું હોય. સો દેટ ઇઝ અ બેસ્ટ પાર્ટ.
Understanding reduce distance between the couple.
The best thing about marriage, I would like to say, is the ultimate friendship you create throughout your life and the trust in the person.
એકબીજાના નેગેટિવ પોઈન્ટને જે એક્સેપ્ટ કરી, that is the best point of marriage.
Like you can share, you can care, you have somebody who can, you can anytime you can be on him, he can be on us. It's like beautiful relation. So I love being in that, and love marriage is especially the speciality of our family. So that is the best part.
You learn many things like
Dating a person is a very different thing, and living with that same person is also a very different thing. Like
you come across many other responsibilities apart from like enjoying the time together.
And there is always somebody to lean on if you marry.
Grow together.
So if you have a companion for a lifetime.
બેસ્ટ અરે આશા જ્યારે કે પસંદ ક્યારે ખ્યાલ ન છે
ના આજે કે એટલે બટે લોકો ખબર હે
સારું કીને તો
તો ન કરની ખબર ના
ક્યારે ભલે બાકી સારી બારી વેર નથી શકો
એ તમારી આંટી સે but if you have to give something, so what is that one special gift you would like to give her?
I think during our initial years we used to think about gifts. Like, he needs this gadget, let me buy a phone for him. Or now I think spending just quality time, going out for a quiet dinner is more than enough a gift.
જીવનસાથીનો સાથ સદાય સાથે રહે એથી વિશેષ ગિફ્ટ શું હોય?
You can gift each and every moment to your partner. You can celebrate, love each other, enjoy. Each and every moment can be like happiness. That would be the great gift to your partner.
સોનાની આઈટમ
સોનાની આઈટમ. Wow. Yeah, I got confused.
એ લોકો ગમે બસ મુલાય કરી દે તો હું જાય ના લાઈફ.
Okay.
Children who can take care of your old age and make your life cheerful.
Bracelet. And definitely a dinner date with husband.
I personally want to make an album, like whatever memories we had. So just to cherish those memories, I want to create that. So that's going to be a part of our journey. Yeah.
Mostly he likes watches, and as you know, vehicles are his favorite.
I'm so lucky. I got a very good family and मेरे दो अनमोल रतन वत्सल and हर्ष.
અને મને જૂની યાદ કરીને એને કે વિડીયો બનાવીને દઈશ.
What would you give him and what would you give him?
Diamond pendant.
Yeah, I think I also prefer giving him some good sunglasses. He loves sunglasses.
Memories.
Then
Good memories, good times.
the times that we'll go for vacations and the times and memories we'll create. That is what we can give each other.
Generally prefer saris.
Sari.
Yes. And I try to go and get, but most of the time colors and patterns are not liked.
And I go deep like it.
ફરે જો ઓડાજી મને મુમેન્ટ અકડે બેજી ઓ અકડે બે સાથે રણું
क्या
ઇઝ મસ્ટ કેરીઓકે
ને જે જોઈએ મનગમતી વસ્તુ એ બધું તો છે જ એની પાસે હેપીનેસ આપો એ જ મોટી ગિફ્ટ છે.
And I can always say that I'll support him till the life, till my entire life. So that is the most important thing, support which you always need at all times, good, bad or whatever it is like. So that is the thing. So that is I'm always ready to give.
उसको तो एक और एक बच्चू चाहिए. But I'm not ready for that. So I think so I'll give him nice mobile, because वो मोबाइल कभी जल्दी चेंज नहीं करता है.
The gift for my partner will be my happiness, because if I be happy, automatically my partner will be happy.
પિક્ચર ને જો શોખ આકડો મોબાઈલ એકડો મોટી બડી સ્ક્રીન વાળો મોબાઈલ છે મે પિક્ચર ને એરેજ કરીએ.
Our kids are our precious gifts.
Nanudani anniversary hai. So anything you would like to, pass a message to them or wish them happy anniversary?
Auntie and uncle, wish you a very, very happy anniversary. Stay blessed all your life. Live a healthy, wealthy, and beautiful life forever and ever and ever.
Happy anniversary.
Can't express, but all happiness. They have been blessed by
Health,
good son, good daughter, grandsons. So they all are trying to express in a way which nobody till now might have given to them. So they are keep getting all these things more and more, so that that itself is their medicine.
બહુ બહુ ખુશ રહો, સારી હેલ્થ રહે અને બહુ જીવો અને સારો જીવો.
Wish you happy anniversary.
The way you both have lived together, the way we see your bonding, it's really amazing. And the same bonding we see even in Jiju and Didi. So we feel that even we can learn 10% of it just to be like you and Jiju and Didi. So I think it's great, and I think we have lived our relation, we have lived our life. A very, very happy anniversary to you both. God bless you with very, very good health and lots of love and laughter and lots of blessings. Thank you.
Wishing them a very happy, healthy years of marriage and be together always for each other.
आप सबका आशीर्वाद हम पे बने रहे, and we have learned a lot from you. So keep blessing us. Thank you.
Many, many happy returns of the day. God bless you.
Happy marriage anniversary and have a long and happy life.
કાલ હે ને અચ્છા તો કાલ સિયા લઈ કે વર તો અચ્છા ઈ પર પહેલા કે આઈ ગયો મુકે પહેલા આવે પહેલા ખબર તો યાદ થયો
अच्छा खाली हैप्पी एनिवर्सरी चाहिए.
હા હેપી
Anniversary. હાસા માસી.
The best couple, first of all, the best couple in our family, the way they are taking care of each other, I don't think in future even we can take care in that way. So it is the best example, like what actually the marriage is. Happiness everybody shares, but sharing everything, like from illness to sorrows to everything, it's hats off. It's not easy, but it's like an example. Like in future, अगर किसी को हुआ तो we can say कि it is not impossible. Happy anniversary, Masa and Masi. Stay blessed. Get well soon. We all are loving you very much. Thank you.
હેપી એનિવર્સરી ને એમ કે કરલા હલાડ્યો બેટા
દેવલાલી પહેલે તો દેવલાલી હવલિકા અને જી દબે જે હિસાબે કોઈ બોલતું હેપી એનિવર્સરી અંકલ એન્ડ આંટી
હેપી મેરેજ એનિવર્સરી અંકલ એન્ડ આંટી આવી જ રીતે સાથે રહેજો અને મિરાંશના લગ્ન કરાવવા સુધી અહીંયા જ રહેજો
હેપી એનિવર્સરી
હેપી એનિવર્સરી ફૂઈને ફુવા
इंदिराबेन
દિનેશભાઈ
हैप्पी एनिवर्सरी हर वर्षे
અને ભગવાન કે ઘણી સારી આયુષ દે કે અહીં દોડીને ઉજ્યો બી એટલે નાની હેડો ભાગ્યશાળી જીવ તો સંસારમાં બહુ ઓછું મળતું બહુ એટલે રેર
नाना सरस है
એટલા સરસ નાના મળ્યા કે દેવ કે પૂજે કરતા પહેલા એની કે પગે લગવું
भगवान के कथा भी विशेष है
એની કે લગવું ખપે
અને એડા દુનિયામાં એટલા વર્ષ સુધી સેવા ન કરીએ બેટા
હા એડા
કોઈ બચ્ચા દિવસ કરે મેનોડી કરે પણ કંટાળ્યો ને તો જ્યાં નાના તો એકદમ ભગવાન થી બી વિશેષ है
ભગવાન થી વિશેષ है
ખરેખર રિયલી
માસી હાય જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ રાધે રાધે વિશ યુ મેની હેપી એનિવર્સરી અહીં ખુશ રહો અને એકદમ સારી તબિયત રહે અને જો હેપી ફેમિલી રહે એના મુજબ વિશેષ है
very very happy anniversary, and I genuinely hope that we take their love as an inspiration, because I have seen Kaka Kaki supporting each other, the way Kaka takes care of Kaki, and you know, for small thing Kaki, even in this stage of life, she'll remember that Kaka will need this, he'll need that. That is more important. Like after so many years, they still have kept their bond strong, and they are going strong. So I wish them all the best for their life ahead, and I wish we all can adopt this from them.
Dinesh Bhai has done wonderful job, an example by taking care of Indiraben under the present circumstances and defining life partner. All the best. આવી સેવા કરતા રહેશો અને cheerful life કરશો.
Happy anniversary, auntie, uncle, mom, dad, I can say, and I think so you're an inspiration to the entire generation following you and to many to come, so that this compatibility, like no matter what ups and downs, are still together, and wishing you all the love and happiness always. Love.
માસા માસી લેટર જે બી ચો
very,
ઓછો
very
છે
happy wedding anniversary.
Happy wedding anniversary.
And may they have a lot of happy and healthy years ahead.
Uncle and Auntie, we wish you all the very happiness with loads and loads of good health, and you have set an example by completing 49 years, and all of us hope that we do the same thing and follow your path. Thank you so much.
Happy anniversary, uncle and auntie.
Uncle and auntie, stay healthy, stay blessed, and many more years to come. We will celebrate your anniversary.
Happy Golden Jubilee anniversary to uncle and auntie.
સ્ટે બ્લેસ્ડ હેપી એન્ડ હેલ્ધી ઓલવેઝ. તમારા આશીર્વાદ હંમેશા અમારી પર રહે, અને અંકલ આંટી તમે ખૂબ લકી છો કે તમને આવા ફેમિલી મેમ્બર્સ મળ્યા છે.
તમારા બંનેની જોડી ક્યારે ના તૂટે. ભગવાન કરે તમે બંને જણા એકબીજાથી ક્યારે ના રૂઠો. હંમેશા તમે સાથે રહો એવી શુભકામના. હેપી એનિવર્સરી મમ્મી એન્ડ પાપા. લવ યુ.
No one has seen the creator of this world. Yeah, you can always thank to who has created you. Yes, your parents. The blessings on me is really great. I wish them a happiest 49th anniversary and many more to come.